welcome back to our channel. My name is Tara Kanat. If you are new here, I appreciate you stopping by, and if you are OG, thank you for coming back and supporting your girl. Okay. Recently I made the community page. I need you to go ahead and hit that notification button, and when you hit it, make sure to hit all. You want to see all notifications because your girl and you and the fam, we just made the community page so you can now be very vocal about what you want to see on this channel. So I recently did a poll and it said the highest one was about collagen, of course. Wanted to know how I make different dishes or drinks tasteless with the collagen peptides. And then the second one was a workout. So we're gonna work out today. We're gonna work that lower booty because your girl messed up her shoulder and I haven't been able to, you know, work out how I want to. So right now I've been able to work out abs, and I also been able to work out my booty. So today's video is going to be 3 workouts that you can incorporate in your booty workout to target that lower booty area. And we're going to start off with some glute activation, and then we're going to go into the workout. How that sound? How that sound? Okay fam, so let's get into this fun workout. We're going to start off with our glute activation, and we're going to be targeting that lower bum. So we're going to do standing kickbacks, and I want you to do 2 sets of 15, and we're really going to target that area. I want you to take it really slow because I really want you to feel it, because this is going to let your booty know, hey, you know, we're coming for you. We are coming for the lower booty area. When we get into this gym, when we get into this workout, we are coming for you. So we just gonna wake it up just a little bit. We're gonna take it slow, and we're gonna do some kickbacks. Now we're gonna get down on the ground. Once again, I'm showing you that we are targeting that lower booty area. This is the easy way, and this is the challenge. So if you want a little bit of a challenge, go ahead and add that resisted band. And once again, since we're just activating those glutes, we're going to do 2 sets of 15. Also try to keep in mind to keep your back straight and aligned. Okay team, so now we're going to move over to the Smith machine, and we're going to do 3 sets of 12 deadlifts on the Smith machine. I like to go with lower actual weights on this one because I feel a nice pull. Keep that back straight, and then squeeze at the top and make a square booty. Yes, we want the square booty so we can eventually get that round plump booty. And we're gonna do this once again for 3 sets of 12 reps. Okay girl, this is my favorite one, but I gotta let you guys know you gotta be safe with this one. So safety first. Make sure you put that lock up there, and I like to put it on the second one from the bottom. That just helps you. You can't go past that point, so you know, no injury. We want to keep that safe. So ooh, look at that booty. Look at it getting that workout. We're gonna do 3 sets of 12, and you're just gonna push up with your tippy toes. And yes, team square booty all day. You're gonna squeeze when you get to the top, and I'm telling you, you're gonna feel this all the way from that lower booty all the way down your leg. I'm telling you. And I like to do low weights. If you can do more, go ahead. You know, mess it up. You know, in the gym. You know, show them that you that tough girl. But I'm telling you, stay with them low weights in the beginning and just push up and squeeze, girl. You're gonna feel it the next day and the next day after. Continuing with the Smith machine, this workout comes in 2 forms, easy and with a challenge. So without the step, you want to use this time to find balance. I usually tilt over to one side to find my balance, and I take it slow with 3 sets of 12 reps once again. But with that step, you get that added pull. You get that added pull to your lower glute, and you can really feel it. Like by the time you're done, your legs are going to be shaking, girl. So I love this for that extra added pull, and it works my lower my legs as well. I was about to say lower legs. What am I talking about? My legs are on the lower part of my body. Yeah, slow moment. So anyway, you're gonna really feel that pull, and I do it on each side of my body, of course. Yeah. I don't know why I added that. I really hope this is helpful. Comment down below anything you would like to see in the future, and look out for those polls, okay? Look out for those polls so you can tell me what you want to see. All right? Bye. Bye, fam.